today. I'm going to do a dessert, and I'm going to do a pie for you today. I was invited by Lori of Whippoorwill Holler channel to do a collaboration on a pie. She did a luscious looking strawberry pie that you ought to go check out. She does a lot of great recipes, and you need to check out her channel because she cooks with a lot of love. So give her some love and go check out her channel. This is going to be a banana split pie, and it's kind of a variation of a Millionaire's Pie, but it has bananas in it instead. When I started to make this recipe, I took some different recipes and put it together because some didn't call for the condensed milk and some didn't call for, had powdered sugar instead of the condensed milk. I didn't want to do that, so I decided to take different parts of the recipes and put it together. Most of these Millionaire Pie recipes don't call for bananas, and there was a recipe I saw that was a banana split dessert, but it was practically just like a Millionaire's Pie. So I just took different parts of recipes and put it together. And lemon juice is really a key factor in keeping it from being too sweet, and it gives it a little zing, a little tart flavor too. And it also helps those bananas. If you don't like some of these fruits, you don't have to put every fruit in it. If you don't want the bananas in it or you don't want the coconut in it, you don't have to put that in there. But this is a very rich, luscious pie. So I hope you'll give it a try. And let me know if you do, and let me know if you like it. What we're going to do is combine the sweetened condensed milk with Cool Whip and a block of cream cheese. And we're going to put all this fruit in it. We're going to have marachino cherries, which is chopped up, a large can of crushed pineapple. Really, it's about the 15-ounce size. Bananas and coconut. So I'll be right back and we'll show you how to put that together. What I've done now is I've chopped up 3 bananas. I've cubed them up, and we're going to put some freshly squeezed 1/4 cup of lemon juice over this and toss this with the bananas, and this helps keep them from turning so much, and this also gives the pie a real zippy tart flavor too. So we'll get that coated really well. Okay, now we're going to do our mixture of cream cheese and condensed sweetened milk and the Cool Whip, and this is the basis of the pie itself. I've already put a block of 8-ounce cream cheese in here. And we're going to pour the condensed milk. And we'll whip that together before we fold in the Cool Whip. You can get a large Cool Whip. They didn't have any in the store the other day when I went and get this, so 2 8-ounce is fine. Okay, let's get this whipped. Okay, it looks pretty creamy. Now, we'll put in the first container of Cool Whip. Okay, we'll get this mixed up. Get that well incorporated. And we'll put the other one in. Let's mix this together. Should be good. Okay, now we're going to stir in all our fruits in the pie. The bananas go in, and the pineapple. And you have to not only drain this pineapple, but you need to strain it and get as much of the liquid out as possible, or you're going to have a soupy pie. So you want to make sure that you do that real well. And the cherries. Cherries are drained, but we are going to put a little bit of the juice in there just for, color's sake. And this is half cup of finely chopped pecans. This really is great with it. You can also use walnuts. And the coconut. Woohoo! And we're going to put a little bit of the cherry juice in there to give it a little more color. And we're going to hand stir this. You want to stir that really well. And it's beautiful, beautiful pie. This is great for the holidays. And it makes 2 pies.
You can serve it just like that, like in a dish with
you
pudding,
could.
you know, like pudding.
It is kind of like a pudding.
A dessert
already.
pudding?
You could, but it's so good with the graham cracker crust. Right. And I guess also you could put it in a baked pie crust that's already baked, if you prefer that. But I think I'll put a little bit more of the cherry juice in it to give it a little pink color. But not too much. You don't want it to be soupy, but just a little bit more. And that gives you a little pink pie. And you want to put this in your, after you get it in the crust and everything, cover it and let it sit in the refrigerator at least about 4 hours before you serve it. And it's really good if you would freeze it for about 30 minutes before you serve it. And that would be easier to cut. It will cut cleanly, it'll look a lot neater. Because some people will say, well, oh, this is a soft pie. So if you freeze it a little bit, it'll give you a little more body to it. Okay. Oh yeah, I love the color of that. Just a pretty pink color. Be pretty at holiday time. And this is a very rich pie. Oh yeah. Let's see how much I got. I'm going to put some more in this one. We'll have to do a taste test later today after this has been sitting in the refrigerator. So I'll let my cameraman have a piece of this luscious split pie.
This pie is so creamy I could cut a little piece out and eat it and just smooth the rest of that gel back over the hole. That's an old trick.
Yeah, your mom had that trick. That's funny.
I had that trick on my mom.
Ooh. This is probably a good one to make the day before and just put it in your fridge. We're going to cut a slice here. And put that right there. And then we're going to top it with some Ready Whip. Just makes it pretty and creamy. Ooh. Alright. Taste test on this. It looks so pretty. Let's see how it tastes. Oh my gosh, that's so good. It's great. Yeah, I've got to give this one a try, especially for the holidays. It's so good. I'm going to give my cameraman.
Ooh, whoopee.
I know he's going to like this. Okay, bud.
Mmm.
This is yum. There you have it. So, Lori, I've made a pie. Oh, 2 pies, actually. So, I hope some others will join in on this and give us your favorite pie recipe. Because the holidays are coming up and everybody loves pie during the holidays. Be sure to go to Lori's channel at Whippoorwill Holler and you'll be glad you did. So this is Janet and Florence today. Hope you have a great day. Go Tigers! We'll see you next time. Bye.